In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up your Amazon Fire TV stick for the first time step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now inside your box, you're going to get an Amazon Fire TV stick, a Fire TV remote, 2 batteries, a power cable, and a wall adapter, as well as an HDMI extender. Begin by putting the batteries into the remote so it's ready to go, and then take the power cable out of the box and connect it to the micro USB end of the Fire TV stick, and then plug the Fire TV stick into an HDMI port on your TV. Connect the power adapter to a wall outlet for the best performance, and turn on your TV and switch the input to whatever HDMI port that you used, and you'll be on the Fire TV screen where you just have to hit the play or pause button in order to go ahead and begin the setup. It's going to ask you for your language and for you to sign into your Amazon account or create an Amazon account if you don't already have one. But then your Fire TV stick is going to download a bunch of updates and restart. This is normal during the first setup, and it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, but after the updates do finish, your device will begin registering your account and loading the setup screens. Continue through the prompts, accept or review any new preferences, and choose your profile. Then from here, you can add a payment method if needed. And it's going to ask you a few apps that you want to install. I recommend just doing the basics like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Disney Plus, and then whatever Amazon apps are default. And then once everything loads, you'll be on the Fire TV home screen, which looks like this. Here you can open up apps, browse content, download more apps by going all the way over to the right, and then scrolling down and selecting App Store. And you could even use Alexa through your remote to get whatever you would like. But that is it. Your Amazon Fire TV stick is fully set up and ready to use. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.